friends, today I'm going to present a project about migratory birds flocking to Kerala. Avian migration. Avian migration is one of the most common migration or movement patterns that are seen in the birds that happen from north to south or east to west or vice versa. It also happens during seasonal change or movement between breeding and not breeding locations. Migration is not easy and costs a lot. Birds have to cover long distance in order to reach their destinations. During these journeys, they need a lot of energy, food, water, sufficient rest, etc. And not all the migration journeys become successful, and some of the birds die as well in these journeys. What are migratory birds? Those birds who migrate from one location to another location in order to breed, feed and raise their offspring are known as migratory birds. They usually migrate from unfavorable locations to some favorable places which are having suitable conditions along with sufficient food and water resources and are also safe as well. The majority of the birds migrate during the breeding season and others migrate for food resources and because of change in seasons. Features of migratory birds. These birds are known to have good morphology as well as physiology, because of which they can cover long distances by flying fast and observing various other things. They have the ability to navigate things with good accuracy. They know when to migrate and when to return. They can fly as far as 16,000 miles, and some of the birds fly at a speed of 30 amperes to reach their destinations. Before migration, they prepare themselves for the journey by increasing their body weight or by keeping food reserved. They fly at different speeds and at different altitudes. Different birds migrate at different timings, but most of the birds prefer to fly at night. They also prepare for their return as well, because after exhaustion of their whole energy in the long distance journey, they usually feel hungry and require food and water. Migratory birds flocking to Kerala. Halfway through the winter season, we have a number of javanica winged visitors here in our surroundings who travel great distance in search of the right living conditions. Some of these birds which breed here have made Kerala their permanent home and are staying cordially among the crows and common sparrows of our area. Many of these birds are being spotted in Kerala throughout the year. Let's check some of the popular migratory birds of winter. Greater Flamingos. Greater Flamingos are the largest species of the Phenicopterus roseus family. Flamingo colonies are never found in a permanent spot. Flamingos usually return to their homeland for breeding. They prefer saline lakes and lagoons to larger water bodies. Largely found in Africa, Asia, Southern Europe and Middle East, greater flamingos migrate across the globe in search of favorable climate, water levels and breeding areas. There are 1.5 to 2 million flamingos around the world. Pelicanes philippensis. Better known as spot-billed pelican. This bird breeds across southern Pakistan, India and Indonesia. Coastal waters and large lakes are their favorite hangouts. They can also be seen beside ponds and village tanks. They feed on fish and smaller birds. Spot-billed pelicans migrate locally for breed along the wet stretches of Iceland, Central Asia, Europe, and West Africa. These large water birds will have bright orangey brown chests and bellies in summer but change color to grayish-brown texture in winter. Garganeys. Garganeys are small duck species that are found beside shallow ponds and small water bodies. They feed on aquatic plants, weeds, seeds, roots, small fish, and frog. Garganeys are highly migratory in nature. They move southwards during July for wintering and return homeland in February. Garganeys prefer flight during night and they feed and take rest during the day. Europe and Western Asia are home to Garganeys. Lesser whistling duck is seen in Southeast Asia. Freshwater lakes with plenty of vegetation is the favorite habitat of whistling ducks. Measuring around 35 cm in length, they are more of nocturnal feeders. Gulls. Gulls usually come from chilly, cold regions and they prefer warmer waters to rest. Brown-headed gulls face threat of extinction and are rapidly changing climate conditions. Siberia and Mediterranean regions are home to gulls. Gull colonies are large and noisy. They have a complex mode of communication and are highly social in nature. Spot-billed duck. Spot-billed duck breeds in tropical Eastern Asia. A bird of lakes, marshes, and fresh water, spot-bill feed on grass and insects. Pygmy goose. Pygmy goose breeds in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. They often take long flights towards south during winter. Vegetable matter, water lilies, and insects are its main food.